In this video, I'll guide you through how to clear your RAM cache in Windows. If you find this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tips. First, let's check how much RAM is currently being cached. Click the search icon at the bottom of your screen, type Task Manager, and open it. On the left, select Performance, then click Memory. Here you can see how much cached RAM your system is using. In my case, it's around 1.1 GB. Now let's clear that cache. Open a web browser and search for RAMMap, that's RAMMap. Make sure you select the official Microsoft site. You can read through the details if you like, but we'll focus on one main feature. Click Download, and once it finishes, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Find the zip file you just downloaded, double-click it, and choose Extract All. After extraction, locate rammap.exe and double-click to open it. You'll see a Windows security prompt, review the license terms, and accept them to continue. RAMMap will take a few seconds to load. Once it's open, I'll place it next to Task Manager so you can see the difference in real time. As you can see, my cache memory is now about 1.1 GB. At the top of RAMMap, click Empty, then select Empty Standby List. Instantly, you'll notice the cached memory drop from over 1.1 GB down to around 187 MB. That's a massive reduction and an easy way to free up RAM on your system. And that's all it takes to clear your RAM cache in Windows.